Hey guys, Brandy again here at Performance Machining, located in the Tri-County Industrial Park here in Piney Flats, Tennessee. Today we are showcasing the fabrication of an industrial flange. This is being fabricated out of 1.5" steel, which is obviously pretty substantial. This is being done on our Waterjet cutting table. This industrial flange here is eventually going to be used in an offshore wind turbine. Thought the material was really neat, and you can see the pictures at the end that include both the finished piece as well as the drop from the center. Really big stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share to anybody else that might have any interest in industrial fabrication. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.